A few students of Cotton University were detained last night for staging a protest against the cutting of trees outside Rabindra Bhawan in Guwahati. When asked, the workers cutting the trees said, "We are not cutting the trees, just relocating them," and proceeded with the so-called relocation.
Translocation karone sampurna ready. Edal gos translocate hobo de. Sauk apnaloke.
So far, Nirankush Nath, Utpala Das, Rajdeep Mohanto, Devobrata Khoikia, Noshad Rashid, Alok Noroh, Anindita Das, Ankuman Bordoloi and Deep Shikhar Kalita have been taken into the police custody.
এইদৰে যুৱবস্তি অসম আৰক্ষীয়ে সাধাৰণ জনতাক তেওঁলোকে যুৱবস্তি কৰি লৈ গৈছে আৰু দেখিছে আপোনালোকে এইদৰে উঠাই লৈ
They are currently being held at Lotahil Police Station and Panbazar Women's Police Station. Their only crime was saying, "Don't cut the trees." They also urged the authorities to conduct research before relocating the trees and to provide data on how many would actually survive the process.
Thank you.